Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Satpreet Kaur and I hope you all are doing great and your learning of English speaking is going on and you are doing great in that. So before we jump into the today's video, can I ask you all a question? Guys, can you tell me, like, is it happened with you that something you had started with the full excitement, okay, and you are motivated in the starting, but as the time goes on in learning that, you are losing your motivation after some months or maybe after just few days? So don't worry, it happens with everybody. But if this problem is happening with you, then this video is today for you only, because in this video today we are going to discuss that why does it actually happen, that why we lost our motivation. Because if you are going to follow all these steps according to this video, then you will be motivated in your process, whatever like you are doing. Not only I'm talking about English speaking, but anything if you are learning about. Okay, so that is what. So guys, we are going to talk step by step and I'll try to make this video very short so that it can help you with the same process. Okay, so and also let me mention one thing. In the last video I had, in last video I had told about the steps. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about a very first step, that is setting the clear goal. You know, the most important step during the English speaking process, like when we start learning English speaking, writing, vocabulary, conversation, anything we are doing. But before diving into all of that, before starting the English speaking or anything, it is very important that we should set a clear goal. You know why setting a clear goal is very important? That we are going to learn with each and every one by step. Now you all must be thinking that setting a clear goal, maybe I already had a goal, like I want to learn English speaking. Okay, but guys, you want to do something, that is not a goal. Okay, I want to learn English speaking, everybody just say that. Okay, how to decide a goal, how you can actually put the goal, so that is what we are going to do it. So from today, in this week, you should set a goal for your English speaking. That is the very first step if you are starting as a beginner. And if you are in the middle, then it is great, you already know your goal and you are working on that. Or maybe you have not decided, then decide it right now with the steps. So the very first step is be specific. Okay, so with the be specific, I mean you should not just say that I want to learn English. You should say that today I'm going to learn 10 new words, or I will be fluent in learning English, what, like after 3 months, after 4 months, after 6 months, like that. Okay, you should be specific, you should be particular. You should know firstly that why you want to learn English speaking. There are many reasons. Maybe you want to learn English speaking for job interviews, you want to make a travel impressions so that everywhere you can travel, or maybe you want to learn English speaking to impress someone special. So it depends. Okay, it depends on person to person that what we are having on our priority. So that is why you have to be very specific, and you know it will exactly help you. Like if I make a goal that I want to learn English speaking in this 3 months, so this will be my challenge and I will do that. Okay, and give challenges to yourself daily for anything, like for self motivation, for dieting, for doing anything which you cannot do. Give yourself a challenge to that, but it should be a good thing, it should benefit to you. Okay, so you have to be very specific, deciding like in 10 days I will learn English speaking, in 1 day I will learn 10 new words, in today I'll do speaking. Make small tasks and embrace yourself. Give yourself something reward, whatever you do. Okay, like that, it will help you. Now the second thing what comes, that is know your priority. Now it comes in English also, there are many types, right? Writing, understanding, speaking, saying, or you are conversating. So it depends, like what is your priority, you should know. Is your priority of English is like writing, you want to learn writing, so you had to go with the grammar. If your priority is speaking, then you had to speak confidently, you're fluent, your voice, your body gestures, everything should be good. Okay, so it depends that what you exactly want to do. So you should know your priority, that what I want to do. I want to read, I want to write, I want to, what I want actually. Okay, I want to learn grammar or whatever thing. Okay, so you had to know that. If you will know all these things, then you can work accordingly with that, right? So it was the second point, and the first one was that you had to be specific. This was the second one, that was know your priority. Now let us come to the third one, that is make it realistic. Okay, see, don't think that you can be fluent in one day like a native speaker of the English. That is not possible, because it will happen. Okay, it's not like it is completely impossible in the whole of the life. No, it is possible, but it is not possible in just one day. Okay, it will come gradually. It will come when you will practice. It will come when you will be consistent. It will come when you will do something for it. You had to do effort, you had to give time, and not a lot of time. I always say just 15 to 20 minutes daily, and that's it. If you will start with that, it will work a lot. Okay, small things make big changes, and that happens. Okay, so it depends on you, that how you are deciding your things. So make it realistic. Realize that it is not possible that I am going to be a native speaker in just one day. No, that's not possible. I had to make effort. I had to do small things, small tasks. I had to do things that can help me, and then only it is possible that I can become a native speaker of the English. Okay, that is what. Now it comes the last step, that how you can set your goal. That is the very important one, and the fourth one, that is write it down. Because I think it is very important. You know why? Because research and the studies, and it's myself also experience. Let me tell you one thing, what happened with me when I was in 10th grade. So you know, it is the when we were in the 10th grade, it was boards of the CBSE were going on. So like when I used to learn history, civics, geography, it becomes very tough for me to learn all that. So my teacher told me to try to learn by writing. Okay, and my mother also suggested me that you should learn by writing the things. So one day I had tried in my exams. Okay, also, so it actually worked, and till today when I had to learn something, I used to write it in studies. Okay, so that is what, and it actually help you. Write it down, whatever goal you are having. That for example, you are writing in the morning, today I am going to read this topic of this novel. So you will be having a mindset in your night, did I did my task today or not? Okay, see, best thing, you know what, whatever task you are making now, just paste it somewhere where you had to visit the whole day. Okay, put it on the mirror, I think, because everybody love to see the mirror. You can paste on that, or anywhere you will go daily there. Okay, and then you can see at the end of the day, because it will happen when you are not completing your task, you will feel guilty, and if you are completing your task, you will feel happy. So just do accordingly. What you had to do, let me remind you all these steps. The first thing, you had to be specific. Okay, second one, you should know your priority. The third one, make it realistic, and the fourth one, write it down. Okay, I hope this video will help you to set a clear goal for the English. You should know that why you want to learn English, what you want to learn English, and why actually you are learning English. Okay, it is very important, because if it is just like, you know what, if you don't know that why you want to learn English, it is like you want to reach the destination, but you don't know the destination, right? You are just going on the random roads. Maybe you are going on the wrong path, or maybe it will take a lot of time. So it should not be late, and you should be the winner of this 2025 in English speaking. It's best you should learn to set a clear goal. There must be a clear goal, then only you can come to the second step. Before seeing vocabulary videos or conversation videos, lessons, chapters, paragraph, set a clear goal. That is very important. Okay, that is about just today video. Next step we will discuss in the next upcoming video. So if you like the video, so just stay tuned, and I will wait for your goals in the comments. Whatever your goals are, please mention in the comments that my goal of English speaking is this, like that, and let's see how everybody reacts on that. Okay, bye, take care, see you in the next video, stay tuned.